Name an element. Water, air, earth, fire. I direct your attention. Water, air, earth, fire. Name an element. Water, air, earth, fire. I direct your attention. Water, air, earth, fire.
Let's go. I'm a fugitive running from my past. How long will freedom last? I'm swinging knuckles of brass. Motivated hustle for cash. I'm puffing the hash. Leave a rapper on the ground with his jugular slash and laugh at him. It's humorous. A lot of MCs got one style. Me, I got numerous. I stand out so nobody's confusing us. I'm way better. Cold winters, beige leathers, black pistols, red eyes, blue jeans, white widow, caked up, new green. Travel across borders, across water. Being short on my cash flow is a tall order. Your style shallow like fountains where they toss quarters. Wishing a way to be the pick of the day. But motherfuckers would care to hear the shit to say. On show day, you couldn't get the tickets away, loser.
Step through the door, sharper than a blade from a Moor. Success, you more like the picture before. What a mess, I ain't gotta brag when I double cash. Come easy like a breezy with a trouble pass. Still by popular demand, return like a shirt when you wore with the tag. Still found in the CUT, Oslo, Tahoe, no SUV. CA to the D, what up? Talk shit, the shoe fit, equip, get your tongue shoestring down. Stay soundless, I crack jaws, you lock doors. We break through the boards in the drywall. By form, we the highlight. You an extra cachet from the spotlight. Right, no pressure, respect, just the best. To headline the bill like rent from your next check. MED.